Alright, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome to my channel. Hopefully you can hear me okay because I'm at the beach. And I was just thinking, why not use this as an opportunity to... Here, let me come up here so I don't have to yell. Talk about why I decided to start doing OF. I mainly make videos on this channel about making money in side hustles, so I figured why not talk about my decision to start doing OF. I'm gonna talk about 3 reasons why. I made a few little notes in my head about this video, and yeah, for a long time I never ever considered doing it, but I recently did start it, and I want to talk about why. Want to talk about why I started an OF and what the whole purpose of it is. And yeah, I mean, I'm having an absolute blast with it so far, and I think it's because I've never been a huge like Instagram post person. Like, I always kind of felt a little like weird just posting selfies all day long on Instagram and like sharing my personal life. So I feel like OnlyFans is a great way to like connect with people on more like on a day-to-day basis, where I don't like, that's the whole point of it, is to like, you know, share a lot of content, so I don't feel weird like posting every day on there, which is what I've been doing so far. And it's been fun, like, so far, just interacting with the subscribers and stuff. But so yeah, so number one, the first reason why I started is for financial reasons. So I am all about side hustles, about making money, finding creative ways to supplement my income. If you know me personally, you know that I have been doing social media for like 5 years, and it's really changed my life and allowed me to not have to clock in, clock out, work for somebody else. I've been working for myself for like a legit 5 years now, which is amazing. I love it. It's, what is it? It's Friday at like 1 p.m. and I can be at the beach, and I love it. And I'm gonna probably take some content here too for OF, but that's not what I'm talking about. I mean, the main reason I want to talk, or the first reason, is finances. So like I said, I started doing YouTube, I started doing TikTok, and it changed my life. And I'm all about finding new ways to make money. TikTok recently launched TikTok Shop, so I'm like, okay, let me try that. And OnlyFans, I have, guys, several friends who do OnlyFans, and I've always talked about how I respect them for doing that. I think it's a smart business move, and they are all females. I don't know any guys who do OnlyFans personally, but I have several female friends who do it, and I'm like, I don't see any issue with it. And a lot of them are like, well, you know, well, maybe I shouldn't speak on their behalf. But that's not, I mean, it's just like, I see it kind of as a positive, and maybe it's because I live in Southern California, I live near LA. A lot of my friends are influencers, but I just don't see any issue with it. And then if you go to OnlyFans, like, OnlyFans isn't even, like, a lot of people, like one of this finance guy I follow, he has an OnlyFans, and he posts his stock tips on there. It's just a way for your fans to get exclusive content like Patreon, or it just has this weird stigma, which I personally don't care about, because like I said, well, in the past, I don't have to go ever get I don't think it would affect me having a job anyways. Like, I feel like I already am so public with YouTube and TikTok and stuff. I don't think this is gonna do anything negative for me. But what was I saying? Yeah, I find it like a cool thing that they do OnlyFans, and I honestly have been a little jealous. Like, dang, I wish I could do that. And I never really like considered doing it until I don't know, a couple months ago. I was like, I guess I kind of could just do it. Like I have people who probably would subscribe, and again, I don't see anything bad with just giving the people what they want. I mean, obviously I don't make like thirst trap type content, but it's like, you know, if people just want to look at me take selfies and cool content, and it would allow me to have an excuse to take more photos and do more photo shoots and stuff, and just interact with people too. So it's like, I have found it more of like socially uplifting to me in a way to interact with people. Like, anyways, I'm sure I will get some negative people on there, but that does not affect me. I'm so numb to it at this point anyway. So that's the first reason, is for financial reasons. The second reason is because I want to challenge myself with something new. And I do that quite a bit. I always try to start something new, and this is it. The third reason really is for freedom. Like, I feel like sometimes I do get stuck doing the same thing over and over, and like, I love YouTube, don't get me wrong, but I do definitely feel reliant on like posting every day on YouTube, which, you know, after 5 years, it's like it would be cool to like not have to do that and maybe tone it back a little bit. So that's why I'm doing that. But I will be giving you guys updates. I'm gonna just share my journey and be honest on here. This channel is about side hustles. I used to drive Uber and Lyft, and that's why I started this channel, sharing my experience, and then it blossomed into like all of these other types of videos, side hustles. And yeah, I mean, I just feel like life is too short to like be ashamed for doing something. I don't know. That's just kind of how I see it. And again, I don't see anything wrong with it, but yeah, I kind of lost my train of thought. But oh yeah, I'll just be sharing with you guys my journey with it and sharing my income. I'm gonna kind of treat this as like a little vlog and give tips and just kind of like an inside look into what it looks like from the very beginning of launching in OnlyFans, and how that works and how much you can make. So I set mine up at $10 per month, and what I've seen so far is I get $8 of that, and then OnlyFans keeps $2. So yeah, the next video, obviously, I haven't promoted the link yet, but somehow people have already found it. I haven't done any shout outs yet, so this is actually like my first video talking about it. And again, I think OnlyFans is there's like musicians who use OnlyFans, and they post behind the scenes songs. There's artists who do it, podcasters who do it, and they post exclusive bonus episodes. So like, I don't see anything wrong with doing it at all, like even if you've been thinking about it. But yeah, I will the link, well, I don't know if I can really promote it on here, but I'm sure you guys can find it if you want. But yeah, I'm just going to be sharing my journey on it, and I'm posting every single day on it as of so far since I started it, and that's my plan. So I'm kind of going all in with it. But yeah, I'll be sharing how much I make with it. And another thing too is like, I honestly feel like it's more of like a fun little challenge where, like, let's say I start it and I only make like $10 per month or $8 per month. I can take that money and put it into an investment portfolio, and that's $100 per year invested. By retirement age, that would already be like thousands of dollars just from one person subscribing. Thousands of dollars by the time I hit retirement. So it's like, I kind of see it as like fun. It's like setting it up and doing it And if I only make a really small amount, I don't mind at all. Like, I'm not gonna quit because I'm not doing this to get rich at all. Like, I'm just doing this kind of as like a fun little hobby, side quest, if you will. And I am really excited to make content too, to make extra content and have an excuse to like go out, because I love, if you guys know me, I love taking photos. I used to be a professional photographer, so I have a really nice camera, but I quit doing that when I got into making content. I don't have to, like, you know, do photos, take photos of people for money, but I still love to do it. And it does come in handy for sure, like knowing how to use a camera for content, or if I'm gonna start a little like clothing brand, I can take photos for the site and everything. So I love taking photos. Like, I love going out to the beach, being like, hey, let's go to the beach, I'm gonna bring my camera at sunset. Like, I just think it's a fun activity. So now I can do more photo shoots and share them on my OnlyFans, and I wouldn't have to feel weird about like posting a bunch on my Instagram, if that makes sense. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna go make some content, I guess. And I'm gonna go enjoy myself on the beach. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Talk to you soon. And yeah, appreciate you leaving a thumbs up on the video, subscribing to watch my journey. All right, see ya.